Welcome to your own channel, Madam Archie. Sunita Williams and space exploration are set to be hot topics for school students in 2025. As soon as your school reopens and the new session begins, your teacher might ask you questions about her return to Earth. So, for that, I have prepared a short speech on Sunita's coming back to Earth. Good morning, respected principal and teachers, and dear friends. Today, I want to talk about Sunita Williams, a brave astronaut who has just returned to Earth after spending 9 months in space. Sunita Williams and her teammate Butch Wilmer went to space on June 5th, 2024, aboard a spaceship called Starliner Calypso. They planned to stay for only 8 days on ISS, but their spaceship had problems. So they had to stay for 286 days, almost a year. Living in space is difficult. Sunita and Bitch had to work hard, fix important things, and do many science experiments. They floated around because there is no gravity in space. They also had to exercise every day to stay strong. Finally, on March 18, 2025, they returned to Earth safely. They landed in the ocean near Florida in a spaceship. Something amazing happened at that moment. Dolphins surrounded their spaceship joyfully, as if they were welcoming them back home with happiness. Staying in space for long can change the human body. Sunita and Butch will now take time to adjust again. Their journey helped scientists learn more about space travel safety. Sunita Williams teaches us to be brave, patient, and hardworking. Even when things go wrong, we must stay strong always. She is a true hero and an inspiration for everyone. Thank you very much, my friends.